Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Excellency. Where's Rebecca? Rebecca, come and sit here. Please sit down. Leave her. You know, and I pray and I thank the Office of the NSA and the NIA for job well done and for not even relenting. And I want to really thank God for your lives and for the various rescue mission all of you have gone through regarding this case, and all of the wonderful women that are here, you know, assisting in this program of rehabilitation. Rebecca will be our own first you know, comeback story and returnee, and which will say she's our own first fruit. So she's a case I'm quite interested in, you know, to see that, you know, she can go back to school, you know, at her own pace. And we were talking with the Rear Admiral this morning about the cases of alternative high school, where girls like her, she's about 22 years old, where girls like her can go back to school at their own pace, you know, learn, because education is very key for her. Because if we, at our age, who do we leave all this legacy back to? They are the ones. And if she doesn't have the right tools for the marketplace, how will she be able to understand the inheritance given to her? Because whatever the parents bequeath on their children is their inheritance. How will she be able to manage it? So we just pray and continue to pray that all our children that are left, they can come back home. And we are also expecting them. We are waiting in earnest that they will return. And we pray that, you know, all of them that, you know, they might be watching, that we have not given up, you know, for them returning. I know you have another journey to make today, and we can only wish her well, that when she goes home to her parents, that I know they will be so glad, no matter how. And maybe from, you know, being reunited with her parents, she too will begin to remember, because it's very, very important for her to remember who she is, not, you know, and it will start from her yesterday to now, and that's the way she can heal. But I believe that there might be a case of amnesia if she says she can't remember English anymore. So, you know, and we wish you all the very best, and thank you so much for the great job you are all doing. You know, God bless you, and you all travel safe. And we'll be waiting to hear good news concerning her. I know with the governor, Dr. Zulum, and the wife, Professor Zulum, and Dr. Zulum, the wife, she's in good hands. So we are not giving hope on them. You know, we are still expecting more to be reunited to us. So God bless you.